In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate AliExpress with Shopify, creating a seamless platform for enhancing your e-commerce business. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to expand your current product offerings, linking AliExpress with Shopify can be a game changer. Let's dive into each step to ensure you make the most of this powerful integration. First, you'll need to install the app from the Shopify App Store. Begin by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of options to customize and manage your online store. Look for the Apps section on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. In the Apps section, there's an option labeled Visit Shopify App Store. Click on this to access a wealth of applications designed to enhance your store's functionality. In the search bar, type in the app you're looking for, perhaps something like Zendrop, and locate it in the results. Click on the app, and you'll be taken to a page with more information about it. Here, you'll typically see an option to install the app. Click Add App, then follow the prompts to complete the installation process. This app will be crucial for connecting AliExpress to your Shopify store. Once the app is installed, the next step involves connecting AliExpress via the Zendrop app. Open the Zendrop app from within your Shopify dashboard. You'll likely need to create an account or sign in if you haven't already. Follow the app's prompts, which usually guide you step by step to connect your AliExpress account. This connection is essential as it allows you to browse and select products directly from AliExpress to feature on your Shopify store, streamlining the process significantly. With AliExpress successfully connected, you're ready to start importing products. Browse through the vast selection on AliExpress, focusing on products that best fit your store's niche and target market. Select the products you're interested in, and with just a few clicks, you can import them into your Shopify store via the Zendrop app. During this process, you'll have the opportunity to add your branding elements and tweak product details to align with your store's overall aesthetic and information. Once you're satisfied, push these products directly to your Shopify store, ensuring they are ready for customers to view and purchase. Finally, one of the standout features of using this integration is that orders are fulfilled automatically through the app. When a customer orders a product from your store, the app seamlessly manages the fulfillment, sending the order details to AliExpress and ensuring the product is shipped to your customer. This significantly reduces the time and effort required on your part, allowing you to focus more on marketing, customer service, and growing your business. By following these steps, you're well on your way to building an efficient and expansive online store. With AliExpress integrated into your Shopify platform, scaling your business and expanding your product range has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!